Who doesn't like bhindi, right? This sabzi instantly upgrades a basic dal roti meal and always disappears faster than you expect. Let's get started. Take fresh bhindi, wash it well and pat it completely dry. Trim off the head and tail and make a slit just enough to hold the stuffing. Add salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala and fennel powder. Add raw mango powder. Mix everything well. Then add fresh coriander leaves. Your stuffing is ready. Now take each bhindi and gently fill it with this masala. Repeat until all the bhindis are nicely stuffed. Next, heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add slit green chillies and sliced onions. Saute lightly. We don't want to overcook the onions, just soften them a bit. Now carefully place the stuffed bhindi into the pan. Sprinkle any remaining masala on the top. Gently mix, making sure the bhindi stays intact. Lower the flame and cover the pan partially. Let it cook slowly for about 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, bhindi has turned tender while still holding its vibrant green color. Now add in slices of tomatoes. Gently mix. Cover again and cook for another couple of minutes, just until everything softens and blends beautifully. Switch off the flame and give it a final gentle mix. And your delicious stuffed bhindi is ready to serve. Pair it with roti or dal-rice for a comforting meal. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Do try it out and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, eat well, live well and stay blessed.